Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Graham Walton is adamant. In a heartbeat, he'll do it all over again. I'll go back to the very start when the girls were born, he says. It's a sensation most sleep-deprived new parents would fail to identify with, not least because Graham's children were numbered 6. His wife Janet birthed the first remaining group of all-female sextuplets in November 1983. Liverpool-born Hannah, Ruth, Kate, Lucy, Sarah, and Jenny had fans all over the globe from the moment they arrived. A series of intimate films captured their childhood, until they disappeared from the media spotlight at the age of 18. Recently, the cameras have returned for an ITV documentary to the Walton household. The kids, now 27, confess to being lumped together for mild annoyance. As Ruth puts it, "I don't really like it when people say you're one of the Waltons. We're not one person, we're 6 people, and we're completely different." Yet, given the extraordinary circumstances of their birth, the tendency to see these grown women as a single entity is perhaps forgivable. Janet, then 31, was in her 13th round of fertility therapy when she found out she was pregnant on holiday in Malta in 1983. She was carrying 6 babies, a scan showed. They were delivered safely against odds, and television footage of the period shows Graham holding up 6 fingers to feverish cameramen. 4 of his daughters are in relationships today, but only Lucy's engaged. "I didn't think I'd go this long without having to fork out for a wedding," says Graham. 4 of the daughters are still at home. Ruth and Kate have reoccupied their old bedrooms, while Sarah and Hannah have never left. Jenny's wagged the furthest of them all. She lives in Leeds and spends in Mallorca every summer. And so she returns to the family home every other weekend when she's in the UK. And though she spends most of her free time away from her air stewardess at work, at the family ranch, Lucy's flown the nest too. Hannah prepares to be a teacher while the others are all employed locally. The latest program shows the non-stop coming and going at the 7-bedroom house in Wallasey, Wirral, where the Waltons have long been living for 25 years, and records their reactions as they watch their own earlier footage. The sisters, who were featured in 9 previous films after Graham and Janet agreed to accept payment in exchange for exclusive reporting under financial pressure with too many mouths to feed. "I worried if we were doing the wrong thing, exposing the girls to the cameras," said Graham. Ruth admits she doesn't feel completely comfortable with her fame. "No one has asked me if I wanted to be filmed. All out there to see the future," she says. "I understand why people are interested, but it sort of takes away the magic for me. It's just a little sour note in a series that shows a close-knit and caring family, one that's not in a rush to dissolve." Graham says, "I've been fussed out by a few of the ladies. They said, 'I don't think the papa wants us to go,' and they're banging on. I don't." Their mother, now 58, but the same cool, unfazed appearance that she had in earlier documentaries, says each sister's distinctive character is a source of pride. "We've just treated them like adults. This and being fair has taken us through. Graham and Janet are unlikely to ever have an empty nest, with their home set to become the mothership for various grandchildren and spouses in the years ahead." As Graham puts it, "It's not done yet, is it? But at halftime, I think we win." Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.